Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the fastest way to make your internet faster in Windows. So, what you want to do first is head down to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then click to open it. Once this window appears, you'll see all of the network adapters on your computer. Find the one you're currently connected with, usually that will be your Wi Fi or Ethernet adapter. Go ahead and double click on that, then press Properties. Inside the list, scroll down until you find Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP or IPv4. So click on it once, then hit Properties again. Now, this is where the important part comes in. So at the top, make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected so Windows can manage your normal connection settings. Then underneath, instead of using default DNS provider gave you, again, then underneath, instead of using the default DNS your internet provider gave you, select use the following DNS server addresses. These DNS numbers can help your browser connect to websites faster and reduce random delays when loading online content. So here for the first box, the preferred DNS server, type in 208.67.222 and 222. Then for the second box, the alternate DNS server is 208.67.220 and 220. So make sure the numbers are entered exactly right. Now, once that's done, click OK, then click Close or OK again to save all the settings. Now, one extra thing I recommend doing after this is disconnecting and reconnecting your Wi Fi, or just quickly restarting your PC so the new DNS settings fully refresh. So after that, open your browser and test your internet speed again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.